I told myself I don't need any more Halloween stickers, but life happens, and today I will be unboxing these stickers and making a spread in my journal. Hey fam, it's Icy of Icy Studio, and I swear I am not addicted to stickers. So today I have a little package that I have been very excited about. I bought myself the cute Haunted Mansion by Stickii. As a spooky girl with a sticker addiction, I just could not resist. Cause just look at the packaging. So anyway, there are 12 sticker sheets and let's take a close look at them one by one. I am actually very nervous and I am holding my breath right now, but here goes. How cute are these spooky little stamps? I love the cute little ghosts and the pumpkins. My favorite is the one with the potion shelf, and the one with the ghosts in the bubble, and the baby ghost in the dark forest. It's hard to pick just one, okay? So up next, let's have a look behind the staircase. I haven't recovered just yet, but I am loving the spooky details, and I don't think I'm ready for more, but here goes. This is super cute. It is giving light Tim Burton, so it feels like The Nightmare Before Christmas, but a much more cuter and lighter vibe. Let me know in the comments if you agree. Okay, so now let's look at the fireplace. It looks very cute, nice and cozy. This is somewhere where I would spend all day doing cozy stuff. So let's look at the sticker sheet. Look at these cute little ghosts, cats and pumpkins. I cry every time. Okay, I think I just died, but we still have 9 sticker sheets left. And let's have a look at what's in the living room where you can carry on with your cozy stuff. This also gives light Tim Burton vibes. I don't know why, but these stickers are giving me Christmas vibes, but make it Halloween. I am living for the house with the little legs underneath. So now let's move on to the dining room. So I can see lots of bowls with spaghetti eyeballs, which is cute. And OMG, let me just pick my jaw up from the floor. I cannot wrap my head around how beautiful this sheet is. I love the shades of purple and I think this is totally my vibe. Up next is the kitchen, and I can see there's lots and lots of what seems to be octopus soup. But anyway, moving on to the sticker. This is another cute one. I love the orange, pink, and purple. I also love the cute chaos, which is kind of like how my brain is most of the time. Alrighty, laundry time, which is actually one of the chores that I like doing. So let's have a look at the sticker sheet. Oh my. I love a witchy aesthetic, and this one is super duper cute. On to the bathroom. So who doesn't love a good bath? So refreshing and relaxing. Are you ready for the 8th sticker sheet? I know I'm not. This one is eerily, beautifully magical in a dark but a very adorable way. I love it. So what do you use your stickers for? Journal, laptop, phone, or hoard them like I do? Okay, so now we have 4 more, and we are now in the master bedroom, I presume. Now let us have a look at the 9th sticker sheet. OMG, these are so adorable and cute. This is probably how Agnes from Despicable Me felt when she got that unicorn. So anyway, oh look, how cool, a library. I love the shelves, the vibes, and how messy and chaotic it is, but still looking very cute. Got the sticker sheet. Oh wow, be right back while I have another "it's so fluffy I'm gonna die" moment. I cannot with this candy corn. Up next is the nursery, and as a mom, can I just say I appreciate how baby-friendly this is? I wonder what this sticker sheet looks like. Wow, this sticker sheet is so delicate and soft, and it's giving me all the cozy vibes. And wow, I cannot believe we are on the last one. So this seems to be a basement. We don't really have basements in Australia, but I am living for the aesthetic. So for the finale, let's see what it is. It's a sticker sheet by Becky Cass! I absolutely love her art, her aesthetic, and her vibe, and I think this will be one of those stickers I'll feel bad about using because they're just too pretty. So those are the stickers in the Stickii Haunted Mansion tour. Let me know which one's your favorite. I love them all and I can't wait to use them in my bullet journal. And because my October bullet journal theme is spooky cute, I want to make a page using some of these stickers. And because it is almost the end of the month, I have decided to do a memories page. The prompts I have included in mine are my top 3 memories. I also want to remember the books that I have been reading, what music or podcasts I was listening to, the new things I have discovered, new obsessions or fave things of the month. And because I like using my journal as a tool for self-development, I also want to reflect on significant things like the things that went well, things that didn't, and also what I would want to intend to work on to make things better. I also like adding quotes in my journal, so I find my quotes on Pinterest and save everything that I like, and then I pick one that I resonate with at that moment. So something that I want to keep reminding myself is that my productivity doesn't define my worth. So what's a quote you resonate with? Alright, so now it's time to decorate with the stickers. I was torn between these 3, but I ended up picking this one because it is my vibe at the moment. This is actually one of the top 3 of the 12 stickers that I really liked. I was initially reluctant to use this, but pretty stickers deserve to be used. Haha, tell that to my million other sticker sheets stowed away in a box. I also need sticker storage ideas, so if you have any recommendations, please leave them in the comments. So anyway, I really love how the pink pages go well with the purple ink and stickers, and so pretty. Let me know what you think. And if you've made it this far, thank you so much. Leave a purple emoji in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.